Here is a Subaru Impreza. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Now let's go ahead and get started. Let's get started with the rear door first. You can either use a 10mm socket ratchet combination or a screwdriver, a thick PH3 screwdriver. That's what you need for this job. If you're going to use a screwdriver, before you twist it left, make sure you push down on it. So keep applying force down and then twist left with both your hands. That's the only way you'll be able to get it out without stripping that screw. So if you have the option to use the socket ratchet combination, I suggest you do that because that holds on to the screw better. And it's still going to be hard, but it gives you a better grip and you'll be able to get it off easily or easier this way. So get the screw out, and once you get it out, make sure you keep it somewhere safe because that screw is important. Without the screw, the connection for the door sensor will not be formed. So keep the screw safely, wiggle the door sensor off, and now we need to get that white electrical connector off. So you could press down over there and try to slide it out, but likely you won't be able to. So get a small screwdriver, a small one, and put it in the slot over there and press down, and that way you'll be able to get the connector off. Slide the connector off, and the moment you get it off, just hold on to it. Don't just let it go because there's tension on the wire that's holding on to it and you will lose the connector in the body and you don't want that. So hold on to the connector, get the new door sensor, and just slide it on. It just goes on one way, so slide it on and then click it. Okay, that's good. Now once it's clicked, now it's not going anywhere. Now you're all set. Just put the whole door sensor connector back in place, put the screw on, and just tighten the screw up. You can either use a screwdriver this time around or the socket ratchet, it doesn't matter. But just tighten it up, make sure it's not moving, and you are done. That's it. Let's check this. That's looking good. Let's move on to the front sensor. Same process, same everything, no differences whatsoever. So again, you can use a screwdriver or you can use a 10mm socket ratchet combination. Get the screw out. The one easier part about this one is that the wire inside it is longer. So the electrical connector has some more play over there. It just makes it slightly easier, but yes, same process. Get the screwdriver and push it in that slot to get the connector off. Slide the connector out. Get the new door sensor. It only goes on in one way, so slide it on and clicked. Let's put it back in, and now let's put the screw back in and tighten that up. And that is pretty much it. Make sure it's not moving. Alright, that is looking good. Hope you found the video useful.